Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add live chat in WordPress. Let's get started. In order to do that, head over to a new tab and search in here for Chris.chat. Then once you have done that, you can see this right here. So click on this use Chris for free, and then you should be able to sign in or sign up if you don't have an account yet. So for me, I already have an account, so it's already been logged in for me. So I just need to actually integrate this particular Chris to my actual WordPress. So in order to integrate them together, what I can do is I can actually click on this icon right here, and then I just need to set up this one. I have in here the option for WordPress, but I can also install it through HTML. So let's install it to WordPress. So let's click on here on our WordPress. Scroll down until reach right here for plugins. Click on this add new plugin right here. And then once we have done that, we should be able to see the plugin marketplace. Now on our plugin marketplace, click on the search bar that we have right here. And then search in here for Crisp. Now let's try to search in here for this one, and then you should be able to see this. So for me, I already installed it. So for you, just head over and try to install the Crisp on your actual WordPress. And then you will be prompted right here to actually enable it on your site. You just need to follow these instructions. So here's scripts right here. Click on Crisp on your settings. And then you will be prompted to link Crisp with WordPress through here. And when you click on this open Crisp inbox, you should be able to see all the messages that the users or customers sent to your website. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like or subscribe because it has reached more people. See you soon.